Hi everybody, Dr. Art Gray here with another short talk for long life. Here we are at the end of January, and it's a time when people have done resolutions about things they want to do differently in their life, maybe even things they want to eliminate in their life. I'd like to talk to you about it from a different perspective. There was a study done years ago by someone who wanted to see why certain companies thrived and why certain ones didn't. And one of the things they discovered was that the companies that thrived have two things in common. First of all, the people who were with that company had a shared sense of vision. The employees, the people had a shared sense of vision about where that company was going and what that company was about. Secondly, they treated that vision not as a hope, not as a wish, but as a fact and as reality today. Vision, reality today. The children of Israel, when they went into the promised land and to take over the land of Canaan, they had to see themselves as possessors of the land before they could go in there. They had to listen to the voice of God telling them that that is your place before they could even think to go in there. Vision, that sense of where your life was going and what your life was about and who you are. That's more important than resolution. Because when you have a vision for your life, you can begin to put your life together in that respect. You know, it's more than putting together a vision board, which are wonderful things, but there are things about putting together a vision for your life that require some very specific things. The children of Israel had to listen to the voice of God in terms of where they were going and what they were supposed to be, the fact that they were possessors. What voices have you been listening to in your life? The voices, the negative voices of the present, failures of the past, maybe even some people who look at you and call you a disappointment. All of those voices that you listen to affect your ability to be able to have a vision for your life and to pursue it. There are certain things that are important about and necessary to pursue a vision for your life. I want to talk to you about those next, but in the next clip we do here shortly. But I want you to get this one thing in your mind. It's time to drop the resolutions and get a vision for your life and treat it as reality today. This is Dr. Art Gray with another short talk for long life. Drop the resolutions, get a vision. Bless you.